Hello students, welcome to maths class. So we are dealing with the areas, right? Areas by definite integrals. So they will give two curve equations, one curve and one line equation, right? We have to find the area between the curve and the line or between two curves. Sometimes only one curve and x-axis they will give. Okay, so first of all we have to find from which point to which point we have to find the area. For that, in some problems they will give directly from x is equal to -1 to x is equal to 2, or from x is equal to 3 to x is equal to 5. Like that they will give the area. You have to find the area covered by the curve from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 3. Like that they will give. But sometimes they don't give the ends, limits of the area. In such cases, we have to solve the given two curve equations or one curve and one line equation. After that, we have to find the area. That is the procedure. Already we solved some problems based on this concept. Okay, so now come to the question. So find the area bounded between the curves y is equal to x square minus 5x and y is equal to 4 minus 2x are given to you. Okay, so bounds are not given, limits are not given. We have to find the limits of this one. So come on, first one. So given equations are, okay, given. In any problem, first what is the given information to us, we have to write given that. So come on, what is that? Y is equal to x square minus 5x, right? And y is equal to 4 minus 2x. Just by seeing this, you will know that first one is curve and second one is a line equation. Already you are having idea, right? Line means first degree equation, curves will be second degree equations, right? So by solving these two equations, we will get our point of intersection. First thing is we have to find point of intersection, so that we have to find the area from that point to another point. Okay, so come on, solving, right? So solving 1 and 2, we get point of intersection, right? We get point of intersection of the curve and the line. Okay, so how we will solve? This is 1, this is also y, right? This is also y, this is also y. We can equate right side, left side, both are y. So equate right side values. So it is x square minus 5x is equal to 4 minus 2x. Okay, so come on, bring this side. It is x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then what happens to your equation? X square minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Try to get the factors for that. How we will get the factors? Here x square coefficient is 1. We will multiply 1 with the constant, right? That is minus 4, right? So we have to select two numbers whose product should be minus 4 and whose sum should be minus 3. How we have to take? So you take minus 4 and 1. If you multiply, minus 4 into 1 is minus 4, and if you add, you will get your value as minus 3. Okay, so come on, how we can take this value? It is x square, so minus 4x plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. So from this you take x outside, right? So if you take x outside, it is x minus 4. Next you take 1 outside, it is x minus 4 is equal to 0. Both are having x minus 4 as a common, right? So x plus 1 is equal to 0. So implies x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 1. So we got the limits. We have to find the area covered by this curve, this line, from x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 4, generally lesser value to higher value. So from x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 4 we have to find. So for that we should know, if we want to find the area, if two curves are given, one curve, one line is given, then we should know which one comes upwards, which one come downwards. While finding the area, the curve which comes upwards should be taken first, then minus, then next curve or next line we have to take. That means if we draw the diagram, then only we will know which curve comes upwards and which curve comes downwards, right? So for that, to draw the diagram, we need x and y values. We will draw the diagram with respect to x and y axis, isn't it? So that's why we have to construct one table so that there will be x and y values. We are having two values here. One is a curve, two equations. One is a curve and one is a line. So that's why your table contains 3 rows. Okay, so here first we will take x values, and next we will take the line equation y is equal to 4 minus 2x, and next we will take the curve equation y is equal to x square minus 5x. Okay, so here your x values are minus 1 to 4. Your x values are minus 1 to 4. So come on, it is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now you take your table like this. Okay, this is your table. Now first observe, you take your x value as minus 1 in this equation, y is equal to 4 minus 2x, right? So it is 4 minus 2 into minus 1, we have substituted, right, is equal to 4 minus of minus plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So we have to take 6 here. Next 0 we have to substitute 4 minus 2 into 0, that is 4 only, right? Next we have to substitute 4 minus 2 into 1, so it is 4 minus 2, that is 2, right? Next we have to substitute 4 minus 2 into, next value is 2, right? 4 minus 4, 0. Next we have to substitute 4 minus 2 into 3, right? So 4 minus 2, 3 is 6. Right, so it is minus 2. Next we have to substitute 4, right? So how much it is? 4 minus 2 into 4. So it is 4 minus 2, 4 is 8 is equal to minus 4. Okay, so in the given equation we have to substitute all the x values, right? So one by one, and we have to take the values. Okay, after that you take your curve equation as x square minus 5x. First you have to substitute minus 1 here, so minus 1 minus 5 into minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. Minus of minus plus, that is 5. So its value is 6. Next 0. So 0 square, 5 into 0. So it is 0. Next 1 square minus 5 into 1. Right. It is 1 minus 5. That is minus 4. Right. Next 2. 2 square minus 5 into 2, right? That is 4 minus 5, 2 is 10, so minus 6. Next 3 square minus 5 into 3, right? 3 3 is 9, minus 5 3 is 15, so is equal to minus 6. Next 4 square minus 5 into 4, that is 16 minus 20, that is minus 4. Like that we have to find the values to draw the diagram, right? So now we have to draw the diagram by taking these x and y values, right? So if you observe your x values, minus 1 is there and maximum up to 4 is there. If you observe your y values, right, maximum is 6, that is upwards, and downwards maximum is minus 4, right? So we have to draw the axis now. So first x axis, right? So we have to take y axis as well as, okay? So on x axis we can take like this. Okay, so this is your y axis, this is your x axis. Okay, x dash y dash. Okay, so now if you observe, we have to take minus 1, right? So here minus 1 will be there, here 1, here 2, till 4 is there, 3 and 4. Okay, and on y axis if you observe both the curves, maximum is 6, right, and here minus 6 is also there downwards. Okay, so come on, you take 1, 2, right, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly you take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, so first one, minus 1 at 6, this is minus 1 on x axis at 6, so this is the point. Okay, so next 0 at 4, right, x axis 0, y axis 4, that means point is on y axis. Okay, next x axis 1, y axis 2, x axis 1, y axis 2, right. Next x axis 2, y axis 0, that means point on x axis. Okay, next 3 at minus 2, this is 3 and 2 is this one. Okay, next 4 at minus 4, this is 4 and this one is your point. Okay, so join these points, right, it's a line. Okay, you join all the points, right? So this line is nothing but y is equal to 4 minus 2x. Okay, so next come to the curve, right, minus 1 at 6. Now we are drawing this one. This is over, this line diagram is over. Now you take this curve equation. Second degree means curves, first degree means lines. How we will know first degree, second degree? If power is 1, it is called first degree. If power is 2, it is called second degree. Okay, so first minus 1, 6, 0 at 0, so this point. X axis 0, y axis 0. Next 1 at minus 4, this is 1 at minus 4, this point. Okay, next 2 at minus 6, this is 2 and your point is here, this is minus 6, right. Next 3 at 6, this is 3, 3 at minus 6, this is 3 and this is 6. Okay, so this point. Next 4, x is 4, y is minus 4, so this point again. So join these points, right. So from here it is a curve, free hand curve you have to draw, right. So this is the curve. So this curve equation is y is equal to x square minus 5x. Okay, so this area you have to find from x is equal to minus 1. So here we have to draw one line at x is equal to minus 1, right. So here we have to draw one line at x is equal to minus 1. This line is x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 4. So, here you are having x is equal to 4, right. So, this line, okay. So, this is your x is equal to 4, okay. So, this area we have to find, area covered by this line, area covered by this curve, and the x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 4. So, which area? This area we have to find. So, you have to shade that area which we have to find now. So, this area you have to find. Okay. So, now if you observe in the diagram which comes upwards, which comes downwards. So, the line y is equal to 4 minus 2x comes upwards in the area, right. This is your area. In this area y is equal to 4 minus 2x comes upwards, and the curve, this is the curve, right. This is the curve, y is equal to x square minus 5x comes downwards. So, while taking the area, first we have to take that line equation minus the curve equation. Okay. So, now we have to find the area. So, come on, we will write area is equal to, from which point to which point? X is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 4. So, x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 4, right. And the line is upwards, the curve is downwards. So, first comes the line. So, what is the line equation? It is 4 minus 2x, okay, minus the curve equation. What is the curve equation? X square minus 5x, okay, into dx. Okay, this is the area. Okay, so A is equal to, come on, its value is minus 1 to 4. Write down, open the brackets, 4 minus 2x minus x square, minus of minus plus 5x into dx. Okay, so is equal to integral minus 1 to 4, right. 4, come on, minus 2x plus 5x, that is 3x minus x square into dx. So, now normal definite integral problem, just integrate it, and in the function first substitute the upper limit 4, next minus in the function you substitute your lower limit minus 1. Okay, so come on, how we will do it? It is 4 integral dx is x plus 3 into integral x is x square by 2 minus integral x square is x cube by 3. Now you are perfect with the integral formulas. 4 into integral dx is x, right. 3 into integral x to the power of 1 means x square by 2 minus integral x square is x cube by 3. So, for this we have to substitute minus 1 to 4. Right side we have to write the limits. After that we have to substitute first the upper limit, then we have to substitute the lower limits, right. So, is equal to, come on, 4 into 4, right, plus 3 into 4 square by 2 minus 4 cube by 3. Okay, first all the upper limits in x values I substituted the upper limit, next lower limit, right. 4 into minus 1 plus 3 into minus 1 whole square by 2 minus minus 1 whole cube by 3. Okay, so is equal to, it is 4 4s 16 plus 3 into 16 by 2 minus 4 4s 16, 16 4s 64 by 3 minus, right, So it is minus 4 plus minus of minus plus, right? So 3 by 2 here, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus of minus plus, right? Plus 1 by 3. Okay, so is equal to 2 ones are 2 eights are. So 16 plus 3 eights are or 8 threes are, right? 24 minus 64 by 3. Open the brackets. Minus of minus plus 4 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Okay. So, is equal to 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus 24, 44, 44 minus 64 by 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 65 by 3, right. Next minus 3 by 2, taking the LCM, 3 2s are 6, right, 6. So, 6 4s are 24, right. Next 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 4, 26, minus this one with 2, right, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13, minus 3 3s are 9. Okay, so is equal to 264 minus 139 by 6. Okay, so 6 is the answer. 264 minus 139, right. So 14, right, minus 9, that is 5, right. So it is 125. Yes, here it will be 5, 5 minus 3, 2, right. So it is square units. So area, right. So whenever it is area, its limits are square units. Okay, that is the answer of your question. Okay, so 7 marks question. This one is 7 marks question. So observe carefully. We have to find the area covered by these two curves, right. So sometimes one curve, one line equation will be given, sometimes two curves will be given, sometimes one curve and x-axis they will say, right. So whatever it be, we have to find the area from one limit to another limit. Sometimes in the question only directly they will give, find the area covered by this curve and x-axis from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 5, like that they will give from this place to this place, you find out the, from this point to this point you find out the area, but sometimes they don't give the limits. In such cases we have to find the point of intersection of these two. Okay, so how we will find point of intersection of these two? Just solve them, right, by solving these two equations anywhere in mathematics, not only here. If we want to find the point of intersection, then we will, where those two will intersect we will know, isn't it? So how we will get that point of intersection? If we solve those two equations, we will get their point of intersection. So come on, solve these two curve equations. If we see the left side, y's are there, right side y, so we can equate the right side values also. So we equated and we got one quadratic equation, right. Take the factors and find out your x value, right. So then you will have x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 4, right. We got the limits of the area. We have to find the area covered by that curve and that line from x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 4. That is the meaning. But while taking the area, we should know which curve comes first above in the area, which curve comes above and which curve comes below. So for that we have to draw the diagram. To draw the diagram we need x and y values, isn't it? So with respect to x and y axis only we will draw the diagram. Points we will take on x axis and y axis. So for that we have to construct one table for that. So here two are there, one line is there, one curve is there. So first you take x values. This is your x, right? X values are from -1 to 4. Next you take one line equation y is equal to 4 minus 2x and you take another curve equation. Okay, so x values you have to take and substitute those x values in the line equation, you will get your y coordinate. Line is given as y, right? Curve is also given as y. So if you substitute those x values, you will get its respective y values. Once we know x and y values, first draw the line, then draw the curve. Okay, and draw the line at x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 4. Why? We have to find the area covered by the line, the curve from x is equal to -1 to x is equal to 4. Okay, for that sake we have to draw the lines also. X is equal to -1 also, x is equal to 4. These are nothing but the lines, isn't it, parallel to y axis. Then shade the area. This area we have to find now. So area is equal to -1 to 4. Observe the diagram. In this area, which one comes upwards? So the line comes upwards and the curve comes downwards. Okay, so that's why first you take the line minus the curve. Okay, after that normal equation you will get. So it is a normal definite integral problem, isn't it? So already we did so many problems by applying the formulas. First normal integral formulas, we will get one equation at the end, isn't it? After getting the equation, in that equation first in x place we have to substitute the upper limits, minus in the x place we have to substitute the lower limits. Okay, so then you will get your area, and compulsory you have to write at the end square units, right? We have taken area, that's why we have to write that much square. 125 by 6 square units area will be covered by this curve and the line. Okay, so be clear with the concept. That's all for today. Have a nice day.